Hey everybody, it's the Lock Twin. So y'all, today we were doing the stitch feed-in braids. These were the very popular pop smoke braids. We never gave these a try until lately, so we're gonna go ahead and give y'all this footage. But this is a very beginner-friendly tutorial. So as you're gonna see, we split it down the center, and that was just to make sure we can get some product. The product is Shining Gem. Split it down the center, put some Shining Gem in there, and then split it horizontally and put some Shining Gem in there. This is going to make sure that her natural hair is completely able to be slick and very malleable for us to work with. So we're going to do one crossover, two crossover. Grab that first piece of very small hair, keep one piece out, crossover again, stitch, pull that hair in, grab your other stitch, add another piece of hair, keep one piece out, cross over, grab that next stitch, cross over, pull that hair in, grab another piece of small hair, leave one piece out, cross over, pull that stitch. And so as you all can see, instead of doing the pinky method, which is totally acceptable, we were just in the mood just to use the comb and kind of like pre-part it because it was a nape area, so it's gonna be way easier to work with. But throughout the process, we did use the comb method where we stitch a piece, grab that hair in, stitch the other side, grab that hair, and continue down the braid, okay? So we're gonna give you all a couple more angles so that you can kind of see a much better. And if y'all like videos like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you are new, hey y'all, we are the Lock Twins. We're twin sisters. We do each other's hair and we take clients. So if y'all like videos like this, mostly protective styles, then make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Grow through the channel. I'm sure you're gonna find something that you can do on your own or that you and a friend can do. And if y'all wanna see any more tutorials, make sure y'all leaving us recommendations because we're gonna be trying out different types of hairstyles on this channel coming up. So whatever you want to see, let us know. But look how snatched these braids are, y'all. These was definitely vacation hair. Our client wore these for her vacation, sent us some great photos, some great videos. We just love them so much. If you want to see some more footage, make sure you go over to our Instagram at the TheeLocTwins, and you can see everything else over there as well. braids were so even. We were so freaking loving this style, all right? It can be a bit tedious, but honestly, add small pieces and as you go, the braid will gradually build, and it was just so beautiful. We add product, of course, anywhere we feel necessary because our client is natural and her hair was extremely thick. So this was a great video to get for someone trying to style for someone with thick and natural hair.
It's your silver, guys.
Yeah, why?
Because we're trusting Grandpa Blackwood. It doesn't know what planet he's on.
His defense is
Sorry, but look at this overview, y'all. These braids were freaking slayed, okay? They were freaking slayed. So we're just gonna finish braiding down the ends, making sure everything is seamless and uniform. Cut away the flyaways, do our moves, do our baby hairs, and then we're gonna blow dry her, and here is the finished look. She looks slayed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and thank y'all for watching.